everyone. Oh, I've got questions. I've had my knee and I'm going to hospital soon and I'm scared. Oh, often I still don't know my knee and I heard like a crack and it starts and I couldn't put any blood to it. I'll show you. So you won't be able to see it properly because I can't. I'm a bit broken, but can you see where see that one there? And I got that one there to pop. Well, my mum's coming back from the doctors and she's going to take me to hospital.